So guys, in this section we will be adding some more events in event sheet to make the game more fully working, and the events which we will add in this layout are related to block and player. So what things we have to consider in mind: the first event I want to add in this layout is that we haven't added yet that when the block goes outside the layout, that is, if as the block is going towards the left, so it is moving towards the left as the angle is 180 degrees. So when it goes outside the layout, then we have to destroy the layout. Otherwise, if we are not destroying the layout, then it will consume up the memory and it will slow down the processing, and hence our game will slow down. So we have to destroy that block. So let's destroy that and write an event for that. So add event, go to the block, then next, and then check. We have to compare the x coordinate of the block. So go to this part, compare x, click on that, and then we are checking whether the x coordinate is less than self dot width, that is minus. We are checking for the minus part, and we are checking and we are comparing it with its width, Okay, so we are checking less than, and we are checking it whether its x coordinate is less than self. Self means it is being used for the block. Self dot width. So go downwards and see width. Enter that. Self dot width. Done. When we have checked that when it has x less than self dot width, then we will apply some actions. What action we will apply? We will destroy that. So we will destroy that. We have selected block, and then we will go to that is miscellaneous, and then click on destroy. Okay, now we have destroyed the block when it goes outside the layout, but we have to add some more things that we haven't added: the scoring part for the player, or the player when it gets destroyed. Let's play the game and see that what the ambiguities are present in the game. Okay, let's see that. So let's do that. So let's refresh again. So now you can see it is working nice, fine. Okay. So it is working fine, but there are some of the issues. That is, when it is going downwards, we have to add some scoring part in that. So let's add the ninth event. We are checking the y coordinate of player. That is, if it goes downwards, that is, if its y coordinate is greater than layout height, sorry, layout height, if its y coordinate is greater than layout height. And why I am saying that its y coordinate is greater? Because in computer graphics, the downward part is the increasing y, and the upward part we say that it is a decreasing y. Okay, so there is a difference between computer graphics and what we study in mathematics. So this simple difference. So let's check the compare y. Okay, so when it is greater than uh, layout, we are checking it with layout height. Then what we have to do, we will go to the system, and we will set the value. We will be, when it goes downwards and it will fall, then we will set the total distance, that is a variable, and we will set it equal to 0. That is, we will be restarting the game again. Okay, and next we will destroy the player. Go to the player and search for destroy, click on that, and after that we will be doing some more things. That is, after destruction of the player, we don't want the player to be generated again, because we want to generate the player, but we don't want to generate the player just after the destruction of the player. So we will wait some time. We will go to system, we will go to wait, and we will wait for 2 seconds approx, and then we will create the player again. So we will go to system, go to system, and then create the player again. So go to system, and then create object, and what the object is that player. Click on player and click on layer, that is 1, and it should be at it should not be at 0, 0, it should be at some you it totally depends on you where do you want to create the player. So I'm selecting it approximately 130 x, and y should be 100, say, done that. And now after doing this, uh, let's create some more cooler things. That let's create some score variables that will hold the score. So let's add a global variable that is score. Okay, after that we have created a score as 0, and no, we don't want the score in this game. Let's create a variable for life because we haven't created the variable for life. So let's create that. Okay, so create a variable for life, add a global variable, and it's for life because we want the variable for life. So let the variable for life is equal to 3 because 3 chances we will give to the player. Okay, so set it equal this. Okay, now after doing this, we will do some more changes into that. Let's go to the layout portion. Come at this point, we will change some things here. And what thing we want to change is that go to the double tap on this, and then you will see text. Click on that, and we will say it as multiply. Okay, say it as multiply. Then click on that, and then go downwards and set the text as caps X, and make it as, let's make it as 14 or 16, the font size. So go it as 14, let's make 16, and then go for comic. Go for that, go for bold, click on OK. Now you can see that, let's change the color to be yellow. Let's make it yellow. Okay, now make it somewhat this way. Put here, like that. Now double tap again and go for text and click here for life. Make a text word called life. Click on that. Life is there. Let's make life text. Enter. Place it again. Okay. Then make the text as 3. We want it to be 3 because that is the maximum life, and at the first instance we want it to be 3. Let's make it 16. Okay. Bold and make it as comic. Okay. Let's do that. And make the color to be red. Let's make the color to be red. Okay, so place there. Okay, make it this way. Okay, let's make it somewhat smaller because it is looking not good. So let's make it smaller, approximately make it 10, 12, 11, make it this way, and make it somewhat downwards. Now it's looking good. When you will restart your game, then you will see that this one into 3 shows that you have 3 lives. That is looking cool. Okay. Now your game is looking much cooler. Okay. Now I will add some more events in the next section of this video because it is going longer. So that's all for this.